Well, good morning, good evening, good night. I'm Ryan. This is 780 Speed and Custom. I appreciate you guys stopping by the channel today. Today, we are packing up the 64 and taking a road trip to Moose Jaw, Saskatchewan for the Run to the Oasis. We've been there a few times before. It's a great event, so obviously we got to do it again. So stick around. It's going to be a good one. Well,
From the scrapyard
to
the stars, we build our hot rods and racing cars. Racing legends come alive. In this metal we revive. From the track strip to the street, this addiction makes our life complete. Dragon drive ain't just for show, it's the pulse that makes us go. 780 speed and custom. 780 speed and custom.
Well, first stop on the trip, grab some fuel. We're next to SIR, the racetrack just right there. Car's doing good. Got about 25 miles to the gallon. We've been about 200 miles so far. Got another couple hours to go. So yeah, it's going well, but we'll go back on the road here and keep going. Well, as you can see, we made it to the Oasis. Bit of a drive, but the car ran great, no issues. Honestly, couldn't be happier. It cruises so nice. It's at 25 miles to the gallon, I think we're getting, so that's pretty good. But I'm gonna head on over to the facilities here and get the car registered, meet up with a few people, and I'll probably see you in the morning when we go for the poker rally. I'm thinking that's a machine.
custom. Thanks